In this video, I'll show you how to set up your very own Payhip store so you can start selling digital products online. Payhip is a fantastic platform because it allows you to sell digital products for free, which makes it perfect if you're just starting out and don't want to invest a lot of money up front. Throughout this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from creating your account to adding your first product and designing your store. To begin, the first thing you need to do is go to Payhip. You can use the link in the description below to visit Payhip and get started. Once you click the link, it will take you directly to the Payhip homepage. The interface is clean and simple, which makes it easy for beginners to navigate. To show you how this works for free, we can scroll down to the pricing section. Here, you'll notice that Payhip offers a free plan forever, meaning you don't have to pay anything up front to start your store. The only fee you'll encounter is a 5% transaction fee, which applies only when someone purchases one of your products. This is really reasonable, especially if you're just starting out and want to test the waters without making a large financial commitment. Once you've confirmed that Payhip is free to start, go ahead and click the Sign Up for Free button. You'll need to enter your first name, last name, and email address. After filling out these details, click the button to create your account. Once your account is created, Payhip will ask you to provide a store name. Don't worry too much about this, because you can always change it later. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to name my store Knowledge Base Downloads. Once you've entered your store name, click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to create a username. Your username is very important because it will appear at the end of your store's URL. It has to be unique, so make sure to pick something that represents your brand and isn't already taken. After entering your username, click Get Started Selling. If the username is available, Payhip will take you to your store dashboard. From the dashboard, you can either start adding your first product immediately or spend some time customizing your store first. For now, we'll focus on adding a product. To do this, go ahead and click Add First Product. Payhip gives you several options here. You can sell a digital product, a course, a membership, or even physical products. Since we're focusing on digital products in this video, select the digital product option. You can either sell multiple products in your store or just link a single product to generate traffic from social media. Both approaches work depending on your strategy. For this tutorial, I'm going to upload a digital product as an example. Let's say I'm uploading a YouTube thumbnail template that I created. First, upload your product file. After the upload, you'll need to enter a title for your product and set a price. For this example, I'll call my product YouTube Thumbnail Template and set the price at $100. Keep in mind, you can change this to any price and currency you want. If most of your audience is in the United States or internationally familiar with USD, I recommend using USD because it's widely recognized and can help increase conversions. After setting the price, the next step is to add a cover image for your product. A well-designed cover can significantly improve your sales because it makes your product look more professional and appealing. If you're not a professional designer or aren't sure where to start, I recommend using Canva. Canva is free, online, and easy to use. You can create a free account and start designing your cover right away. Once you're logged into Canva, click Create Design and choose a custom size. I suggest using 1920 pixels in width by 1080 pixels in height for your cover. This size works perfectly for digital product banners. Canva also provides templates, so you don't need to start from scratch. Simply type in keywords like cover in the template search bar. Pick a design you like and customize it for your product. You can change the text, swap images, adjust colors, and more. When your cover design is ready, click Share, then Download, and choose PNG format. While Canva is an excellent free option, you can also use Photoshop or other design software if you prefer. However, Canva's simplicity and online access make it ideal for beginners. Upload this cover image to your Payhip product page, and you'll instantly make your product look professional. From here, your product is uploaded. Your title and price are set, and your cover image is ready. At this point, your Payhip store is starting to take shape, and you're well on your way to creating a professional online store to sell digital products. Once your cover image is ready and uploaded, the next step is to finalize your product details. You can add a description that explains what your product is, why it's useful, and how it can help your customers. Make sure to keep it clear and concise, but also engaging. Highlight the benefits and any unique features that make your product stand out. This is important because a well-written description can improve your chances of converting visitors into buyers. Next, you can explore additional settings on your Payhip product page. You have the option to offer discount codes, add a license for digital products, or even enable EU VAT settings if you're selling internationally. Payhip also lets you customize your checkout process. You can decide whether customers need to create an account or if they can check out as guests. These options give you flexibility depending on how you want to manage your store and customer experience. Now that your product is fully set up, it's time to take a look at your store design. On the Payhip dashboard, go to Store and click Launch Your Store Builder. Here you can choose a theme, adjust colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Payhip makes it easy to create a professional-looking store even if you don't have any coding experience. Spend some time customizing your store so it looks visually appealing and aligns with your product niche. Once you're happy with your store's design, it's time to launch it and start promoting your products. Payhip provides a unique store link that you can share on social media, email newsletters, or your website. You can also link directly to individual products if you prefer driving traffic to a specific item. Promotion is key because the more people see your products, the more likely you are to make sales. Finally, remember that Payhip also provides analytics, so you can track your sales, traffic sources, and customer behavior. Use this data to optimize your store and improve your product offerings over time. Selling digital products online is a learning process, and the insights from Payhip can help you grow and refine your business. Before we finish, here's one last set of tips. Success on Payhip doesn't just come from uploading a product. It comes from building awareness and creating trust. Make sure to share your store link on every social media platform you use, whether that's Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or Twitter. Keep your branding consistent so people recognize your products instantly. You can also start an email list, even if it's small, and send updates, discounts, and new releases directly to your audience. Over time, these small touches build loyalty and repeat sales. Finally, always keep improving your products. Update them with fresh content, add bonuses, and ask for customer feedback. The more you refine your digital store, the more professional it will look, and the easier it will be to stand out in a crowded marketplace. And that's it! You've now successfully set up your Payhip store, uploaded your first digital product, added a cover image, customized your store, and learned how to start promoting it. From here, you can continue adding more products, creating promotional campaigns, and expanding your digital store to maximize your sales. If you want to get started with Payhip and set up your own store today, just use the link in the description below to try it out for free.